Dr. Bhavani Shankar Chaudhary. A gem of engineering. Introduction. Professor Engineer Dr. Bhavani Shankar Chaudhary is a distinguished recipient of Pakistan's prestigious Sitara-Imtiaz, the country's third highest civilian honor. He is not only a renowned name in the field of electrical and computer engineering, but he is also a pathfinder who has left an indelible impression on education, research, and international cooperation. With a spectacular career spanning more than 3 decades, his impact on the world of academics is absolutely astonishing. Come along with us as we explore the fascinating life and incredible accomplishments of this extraordinary person. Early years and education ***. Dr. B.S. Chaudhary was born in a small village of very underprivileged area of Sindh, Thar. In 1999 began his journey in 1983 when he received his bachelor's degree in electronic engineering. In 1990, he earned a PhD in microprocessor-based intelligent instrumentation from the University of Southampton, England. This set the stage for his illustrious career, teaching and research. After completing his doctorate, Dr. Chaudhary returned to his university, New at Jamshoro, and dedicated himself to teaching and research. He had served as a chairman of the Electronic Engineering Department and as the founding chairman of the Telecommunication Engineering and Biomedical Engineering departments over the years. His influence extended beyond the classroom. He had also served as Dean of the Faculty of Electrical, Electronics, and Computer Engineering and also as a Director Institute of Information and Communication Technology, IICT. Prolific writer and researcher. Dr. Chaudhary's dedication to knowledge advancement is evident in his prolific writing. He has written and edited numerous books, some of which have been published by Springer Verlag, that is a well-known German publisher. Not only this, but more than 100 research papers published in national and international journals further demonstrate his research prowess. Awards and recognition. His outstanding contributions to education have earned him several honors, including the Best Teacher Award from Higher Education Commission, HEC, and the National Cultural Award. Moreover, he has received many international recognitions for his achievements while serving as a guest scientist associate at the International Center for Theoretical Physics, ICTP, in Italy. International collaborations. Dr. Chaudhary's commitment to promoting international cooperation is admirable. He was instrumental in securing approval for various projects facilitating student and staff exchanges through the European Commission's Erasmus Mundus exchange programs. More than 150 MUIT students benefited from these efforts, which provided them with invaluable international experiences, flagship conferences, and editorial contributions. His dedication for promotion of research and collaboration is evident in the organization of many major conferences. He co-organized a groundbreaking workshop on FPGA-based instrumentation systems and was instrumental in the establishment of the Global Conference on Wireless and Optical Communication series. Continued impact. Dr. Chaudhary's contributions continue, as he recently served as lead editor for a book on IoT architectures, models, and platforms for smart city applications, and as associate editor for the British journal Annals of Emerging Technologies in Computing, ATIC. These activities demonstrate his unwavering dedication to the advancement of knowledge. Prestigious Sitara-Imtiaz Award. Dr. B.S. Chaudhary was honored with the Sitara-Imtiaz Civilian Honor by the President of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan on the occasion of Independence Day in 2022. This renowned award celebrates his enormous achievements to the country's public and educational sectors, and it adds to a long list of awards he has garnered over his remarkable career. Conclusion. Dr. B.S. Chaudhary's career in electrical and computer engineering has been nothing short of inspiring. His commitment to education, research, and international collaboration has not only influenced the lives of countless students but has also left an indelible mark on academia. Dr. Chaudhary's story, as a distinguished figure in his field, continues to inspire future generations to aim for greater heights in the pursuit of knowledge and excellence.